Kopogore koda welo makamago en ni lakteche kokalo riwruok mar KMPDU odhiambo makawuono owito oko ng'anyo mane owinjo gi chaki chieng' Jumapil. Kokalo e winjruok mane otele kod jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki, migawo mar thieth kod riwruok Governors, lakteche go oketo winjruok mar tich. E winjruokno piny owacho yie mar chulo lakteche ma jopuonjre kata maraga $206,000 dwe ka dwe kaluwore kod winjruok mar tich mar higa 2017. Kamano bende chudo mokwongo mar osara maromo $3.5 idhi chul kendo chudo modong' ibiro chul dwe mar 7 higa manyien.
We want to appreciate the involvement of the Deputy President, the Council of Governors, and the Ministry of Health that have worked around the time to ensure that what we demanded, that is the evidence that the doctors in the counties are receiving the basic salary arrears, for us to sit here today. Today we have seen an evidence that doctors, like from Kwale County, have begun to receiving them to get their money. The interns doctors can actually check their pay slips tomorrow on Saturday, and they'll see the confirmations that they'll be getting their full salaries.
We want to assure KPMDU that the remaining parts of any agreement, including the adjustments that we said will push to 2025-26, will be adhered to, will be achieved, and that we will, as COG, do our best to avoid another industrial action.
We are glad that we can now sigh with relief that our hospitals, our public hospitals will be operating because our doctors are going to continue providing health services, which is their calling.